Alright, here's the second mower that you brought me. The first one being over there. See if I can back up and you can see it. That's your mower with the Enduro 15. Now, I've got your battery on here fully charged. I just took my battery off, which is now back on the charger over there. And when I hit the key, see how it's stopping and it moves a little. Try to back up so you can see. And that's on the compression stroke. Now, I've had it on many mowers before, and in order to fix it, you have to remove the engine, tear the engine completely apart, which takes about 6 hours to get done. I'm looking for the piece. There it is. It takes about 6 hours. You have to rebuild the entire mower, and the parts alone cost $250. And this is the part. I've saved this as a trophy for years because the first time I did it, we figured out the problem. I felt like I was invincible. This is your camshaft. These right here are the parts that spin. Try and get the lighting different. It spins, and this little arm here is what pushes out your intake and your exhaust valve. Well, right up here, you wouldn't know it to look at it, but there's a little arm missing, and the arm swings out of the way. So when the mower is not running, the arm is spring-loaded, it sticks out. So when the engine turns, it pushes out the exhaust valve and allows the compression that builds up in the piston to release so that this thing can spin enough to start the engine. And once it does, that arm swings back out of the way and is no longer needed. Those break on these machines. I have to remove the engine from the tractor. Then I have to take the engine completely apart. I'll send you a picture of that. The last one that I did, I charged $600. It's $250 for the parts. It's not worth fixing. So unless you have another idea, I can't figure out anything that's going on. I can get it to spin till it hits the compression stroke, and then it won't turn at all.